Did you know you can cook a turkey or a chicken in the microwave? This is the best Thanksgiving hack of all time.
Wait a minute, you can actually cook a chicken or a turkey in the microwave? Only one way to find out. Okay, I'm gonna season it a little bit just to see if it'll even cook. If it does cook, it's gonna taste delicious. So let's go ahead and season it just a tad bit. All right, so here we have the chicken. Must have been a butterball chicken. Anyways, let's go put it in the microwave and see what it looks like. All right, open that chicken. Oh, we gotta put. Let's go ahead and put it. Put it for 30 minutes. All right, let's go ahead and start it up, and let's wait.
2,000 years later.
All right, it's done. Let's go ahead and check it out. Oh my God, look at this Whoa! Oh, that looks so good. Let's go ahead and take it out and try it out. No way, it actually freaking worked. Whoa.